Now, the topics for the Inventor interface today are how to create project or export a project from AutoCAD, how to import it in Inventor, how you can represent your project within Inventor, and how to create the 2D role drawings and the dimensions that will be created by the interface, and the templates that are used for this. As you might know, we already have an Inventor interface in the current COPRA release, but there are the complete project that gets created is just roles without any drawings. So you get a complete model, but you have to create your own 2D drawings from the roles. Now in this release, you will get also automatically created the 2D drawings from roles. The first thing you have to do is you have to create your part or your project in AutoCAD, and from there you have one button. It's the same as already known, to export the complete project settings for the Inventor interface. Just show you the button for this. For example, we have a project here. Sorry, that's a English version, but we just need this single command, so should be no problem. You have the 3 designed roles. You have this single button, write the Inventor interface data. So you have to click there, and all the roles and all the information about the project gets to the project directory. Then you start Inventor, and if you have installed the Inventor interface, that's a question during the installation of the COPRA software, you have an additional menu where you have all the COPRA interface commands. There you can create the project, and if you create a project, you will get a complete assembly of the COPRA project. This assembly has other assemblies inside. For each station there is an own assembly, and also the profile. If you create the profile, it's also as a part. No, it's also an assembly within the complete project assembly. In each station, there are all the single roles that belong to this station, and the roles itself, they are parts, Inventor parts. So we have all these elements together in one project assembly, and within the station assemblies, and in each station there are all the roles. I will show you over here. So you start Inventor, and then you have this COPRA menu, and you have the button for Create Project. By default, the directory is the last one that was used when exporting a project from COPRA. So we are already in the project. So, oh no, I'm okay. I didn't export it currently. So we had this one. I open this one. So then you get information about the complete project. So over here we have 29 stations, and you can select what you want to create, the complete project or only single stations. You can switch the sorting of this of the stations, depending on what you would like to see. Then we have some flags, what should be created. So by default, the show profiling direction is on. You get a small arrow in the project so you can see the profiling direction. You can set a flag for creating the profile section within each station. That's just a 2D sketch representing the profile in this area. Then you have a flag for creating the 3D profile, create bearings, spacer rings, and some settings for the file names, and a flag for create the complete project invisible. That's a little bit faster, because if you set this flag, Inventor doesn't show you what he's doing during the creation of the project. If you don't set the invisible flag, then each role that gets created is also showing up in Inventor. It's opened, it's changed, it's closed, the next one. So in this case, you will see what's going on, but on the other side, Inventor has to create all this graphical information, and it's a little bit slower. Then we have the possibility to set the position of our project. By default, it's the XZ plane, but you can define whatever you want here. You see the profile is drawn in this plane that we select here. For example, if I select the ZX plane, ZX is not good, let's say YZ, then the profile gets drawn here, and the profiling direction is always the Z coordinate of this plane. So in this case, it's the positive X direction. If we are here on the XZ, it's the negative Y direction, because that's the normal of this XZ plane. Over here we have the default of the title block that should be used for all the 2D roll drawings. We can change them. Over here you see all the available title blocks. I will show you later where you can define all these title blocks. So you can set the template, and okay, it's this one, and then just say okay, and you will Inventor will create this project. So the result will look like this. No colors. So you have the complete project with each station as an assembly itself. And here I also created the 3D model of the profile. And within each station, you see here, that's the station. And within this station, you have in this assembly all the single roles. And also the sketch. You don't see, see a little bit here. Okay, of the profile.